Staxks. Wow, what's up with y'all, man? How y'all doing? Y'all doing good? I'm doing good. I'm blessed per usual. And today is a big day. So before we even start, 2 days ago was my birthday. I turned 23. Blessed to see another year and continue blessings for the whole year of 2025. It was a small little birthday. I didn't really get to do much, but I didn't get to really do much because I did something big for myself. Now, if y'all click on the video, you already know what I did for myself because you can see it in the title. We are trading in the marrow. Damn, you go ahead. Side tears. But we are trading in the marrow, but we are trading it in for a cat. Yes, sir. As you can see, the marrow is over here chilling. I haven't driven it in a little minute. It's just been chilling here. Been driving the daily. But the car that I am getting I just got a call from the driver. He said he's gonna pull up in about 20 minutes. So we're gonna do some little things real quick in the mirror to get it ready so we can trade it in. And yeah, we're just gonna bring you along the journey, show you everything, and skirt off in that. So he should be pulling up any second now. I have to go put on the hat, coat his tail out here. So yeah, he should be pulling up any second now. And yeah, boy. I know y'all gonna miss the marrow. This little shit was fire. It did what it did. You feel me? You gotta move on sometimes. You gotta move on. And you gotta move on to bigger and better things. And always remember to tell yourself that you can always do it. There's nobody that can't tell you that you can't do it. There's nobody that can tell you that you can't do this, can't do that. If you want to do it, put your head down, trust the process, believe in God, and you can do whatever the fuck you want to do in life. Stamp. Can't nobody say nothing to you. And if they do, they some hanging ass niggas. But yeah, I'm gonna chill out on a little motivational talk and stuff like that. I'm gonna put the camera back out when he does pull up, and yeah, we're gonna give you the code start for the marrow for the last time, and yeah, we're gonna start taking delivery of the cats. Oh shit! Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I see it. Woo! I see it. I know y'all see it. Look at this shit right here. Oh, this shit looks so good. Oh my god. Oh shit. Kind of speechless right now. If y'all don't know, this is SRT Breezy's old cat that he sold. He the one that got that track to the wide body faded track. Ooh. That shit. That's so clean. You're gonna have to get 5 minutes tips for this back here. And then we're gonna do a couple things to this shit. Oh yeah, we're gonna let you know. Damn. You really did it, boys. But yeah. Oh man. Cold out here. Hey, what we gotta do? What we gotta do? They took all that stuff off. They took the splitter off, the SRT badge, the Emerald grill. They took that shit off. And then, yeah. I can see the big ass brakes up front with the super nice 5-spokes. I like these ones. I like the red I use more. But for regular cats, I like these ones the best. Got the carbon fiber decal. This red is bright as shit. But this shit do need to get lowered. That gap is too high. It needs to get lowered, so you best believe we gonna lower that hoe. That shit. clean, clean. Yes, sir. Ooh. That shit nice, boy. It's cold as hell, but we still out here doing this shit. It's cold. We gonna touch out real quick, and then I'm gonna bring y'all along with that shit. The marrow is going bye. Go bye. It's been well worth it though, man. Well worth it. Woo. That shit is super low. So that's the only thing. He trying to get that thing up on there without messing it up. But shit, it's low as fuck. I don't even know what's gonna happen. Yeah, mirror looks so good. It looks so clean. Man, I'm gonna really miss this shit, man. Always tell yourself you can do it. Don't ever let nobody tell you can't do it, boy. You can always do that shit. Look how low that bitch is. And there she goes. Mirror is going bye-bye. It's been a movie, man. We done updated. We done got places we done never thought we could get in life. Because of y'all, and I appreciate y'all so much. Yeah, words can't even describe the feeling that I'm going through right now. No rap. Alright, so we over here test driving this shit. We got this little hoe in sportsman line. As you can see, it's slowing the shit too. I got my bottle in here. No. Boy, this shit is fun. Oh man, I'm about to have too much fun in this car. I'm gonna have too much. Stop. Woo! Yeah, that shit was so much fun. I'm so proud of fun. I'm having so much fun. Oh. I gotta take it to my friend's house, have my security sneakers installed. We gonna give y'all a little POV real quick. You see, it's fucking snowing outside this shit. Oh man, this shit cannot. The power is way too much for the street. This shit is sliding everywhere. I can't even go too fast because this shit gonna start fishtailing. Man, I got to see this in 717 mode. This shit is no joke. Of course, the day I get this car, it's gonna want to snow and shit. Like that shit is lame. I don't know why it's like that. That shit is sounds so lame. But hey, it is what it is. We still gonna have our fun with it and shit like that. Hopefully it stops snowing and shit, cause like, bro, this shit lame as hell. But hey, you feel me? We still gonna rock out. Pop out and do all that. You heard? I don't even know which street I was coming down. Oh, obviously we got traffic intro turned off, all that. But hey, I just want to give y'all a little, you feel me, sneak peek, you feel me, just driving it a little bit. Let's get a better feel of the car and shit like that. This one has a JLT cold air intake, so I don't know how much quieter this is compared to the leg maker, because the leg maker loud as hell. So yeah, I don't know. We gonna see that shit. Yeah, we just put out. If I get this kill switch, put on my shit. Because I ain't gonna finally get taken down first day or nothing like that. So you gotta put this shit on real quick. By my man Lee, Most Wanted Customs. Oh yeah.
Sorry. My boy Kane.
Hey.
Mopar, baby! Mopar! Sorry.
Oh shit. It's the Mopar. It's the Mopar demon over there. You love that shit. We gotta put this shit on. I don't know what he's doing, to be honest. Oh, I think he turned it back around. You can see shit. Demon. They gonna pay me out for a demon because I want that shit.
Cause I want it. And I
Hey.
need it.
So we straight now. We good. We Gucci. Woo. I forgot I cooked it on the first time.
Yeah. It'll take a second for your first. Like it just kicks on, but it'll kick back on after you start it. Started again. Kick back on. Is this a red eye?
That's a regular cat.
Yes, I want to hear why. I want to hear why.
Oh, damn. I didn't even open. I didn't even open this bitch on.
What's this? What the fuck?
Yeah, brother.
You gotta live it.
Damn.
That motherfucker look combusted as hell. That shit looks clean now. Right? Yo, God, that shit looks clean. That shit look like a 2023 last call.
I wish.
They don't know.
That bitch sound good.
You don't want to hear this bad boy start up.
Go ahead and start it up.
They'll put that kind of shit.
Hey.
They pull out my red key. Look, red key. Red key. Look, this is a daily.
He says it's a daily. Alright, we at the gas station. We freezing right now. It's cold as fuck. But shit, the shit we do for content. My hair, bro. It's cold as fuck. Man, you see that? Fuck. It's fucking cold. Very fucking free. Woo. It's too cold. Right here. But yeah, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Appreciate y'all for getting me to this point. Hey, we got cat, we got big. We gonna drop crazy videos, give y'all crazy content, and show y'all what y'all wanna see. Until later, hey, Staxks out.